Hey everyone, welcome back to Techiato. In 2025, the Apple iMac M1 still holds a surprising place in the world of consumer tech. Released back in 2021, it was Apple's first all-in-one desktop powered by their in-house silicon, the now iconic M1 chip. So, is it still worth buying in 2025? Let's take a look. The design of the iMac M1 hasn't aged much. That colorful, ultra-slim aluminum body is still eye-catching. Even for years later, it feels fresh compared to some newer PCs that still look like boring office machines. It comes in 7 fun colors and has a clean, minimal aesthetic. It's only 11.5 millimeters thick. Yes, that's thinner than most laptops today. Now let's talk performance. The M1 chip is no longer cutting edge, especially with Apple now offering M3 and even M for chips in their latest devices. But the M1 still delivers solid performance for everyday users. Web browsing, document editing, light photo and video work. It handles all of that without breaking a sweat. For students, casual users, and even some creators on a budget, it's still a great pick. The 24-inch 4.5 Retina display is sharp and vibrant. The built-in speakers and mix are excellent, and the webcam is still better than many Windows desktops today. Ports are limited, though. You're getting only 2 USB-C ports on the base model, and the RAM and storage are not upgradable. That might be a deal breaker for power users in 2025, but for someone who just wants a stylish and reliable desktop, the iMac M1 still delivers. The biggest upside now, price. In 2025, you can grab a refurbished or lightly used iMac M1 at a much lower cost than when it launched. That makes it a strong option for those who don't need top-tier specs but still want a great user experience. So, while it may not be the fastest machine out there, the iMac M1 is still very much alive in 2025, quietly doing its job beautifully.